Try it. Just try it.
Oh, wow, I don't
Oh, God.
remember. She pulled me into this.
Oh, God. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, I am here with the Magic Marcus, and we are here with Box Week Day 7. So real quick, if you have no idea what Box Week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. Is the 1 week that every single month me and my subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. You're catching us on day 7 of Box Week. Basically, we open up all my subscription boxes. We make friends in Justlikedrew crew. And actually, because I'm still waiting on 2 of my beauty subscription boxes, we're going to be unboxing a brand new box on my YouTube channel. First time ever. He doesn't even know what it is. It is called Universal Yums. Do you know what this box is? Do you know what it's about?
Well, I heard you say universal.
Okay.
So that means it's kind of all-inclusive, maybe for more than one type of person. And I heard the word yums.
Okay. So, I'm guessing probably food, right?
Not really. I mean, maybe.
Well, it is. This is a food box. This is a snack box. I know it is snack box last night. I was actually planning on doing snack boxes on a totally different week, but it just ended up being this week because of the other boxes being delayed. Which I will actually film those when they come. So this will be the end of Box Week. When those come in, I'll film those as they arrive. But Universal Yums is a monthly subscription. I want to say it's like $15 a month. So here's the cool thing about this box. This box, every single month, they take you on a journey to another country. And they do like this full like tasting experience for another country. Okay. So you can be like, okay, I'm in Greece right now. And they give you a bunch of food from Greece. And then like you can rate them on a scorecard. It's really, really cool. And they give you information about it. So I was excited to try this. And I wanted to try it with somebody. So I figure who better than the world traveler himself. No, it's like only ever been to Wisconsin and Minnesota. That's it. Marcus, the Magic Marcus. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
I got John Wayne here. Let's bust this baby open. All right, I'm trying to cut the side. I got to find where I can cut this thing open at. All right. So I don't even know where we're going this month. So are you excited to find out where we're going this month on our tasting journey?
Incredible taste are we gonna
All right,
have?
we are going to France.
Wow.
Yay, that's actually really exciting, right? Okay, we're going to France. This is our scorecard for all of our treats that we get today. And this booklet says, welcome to France. And basically it gives us little informational booklet about France. Look at that, isn't that cool?
Very nice.
And tells us about what's inside of our box. All right, and this is the inside of the box. Okay, so on the very top of the box, we have these Cibelle. These are truffle flavored potato chips. So, yeah, are you excited to try these out and see what they taste like? Truffle flavored potato chips?
Mon chéri.
All right, try it. Oh, interesting. Ooh, they smell kind of weird.
I
Smell them. I don't know how I like smell.
Different. Well, what do you think? What do you think?
Ooh. Oh, that's weird. Oh.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Try it. Just try it.
Oh, wow, I don't
Oh, God.
remember. She pulled me into this.
Oh, God. Ooh.
It's kind of a strong taste.
Strong. That's like, God, that's tough. That's tough, man. That was tough. That's a tough experience. All right, the next thing we have is this. So I'm going to actually look in the booklet to see what this is called.
Okay.
All right, this is, all right, we can't find it here. Hold on to this. Hold on to it for a second, all right? You got it? All right. This is a Gruyere Raspberry Madeleine. So Madeleine is like a cookie, all right? So this is a pastry, all right? I'm happy to try this. This is a Raspberry Madeleine. I've had like the plain flavored Madeleines before, so I'm excited to try this one. All right, here you go. We'll save a little bit to share with everybody else. A little bit, just
raspberry, right?
Raspberry.
I smell it.
Madeleine.
It smells good.
Smells good.
Nice. I like it.
It's, wow. That's delicious. Okay, that's much better than those chips. I admit it, those chips were tough, man. The chips were tough. All right, this is the next thing we have here. All right, this one is an almond financier's, it's like bread. I think it's like almond bread. You ready to try this?
Okay.
All right, okay. All right, almond bread. I'm excited to try this. Let's see.
So far, we're 1 for 2.
Yeah, so we'll see if we like this one, all right? All right, you try that. A little bit there. Hopefully I don't have an issue because I'm sort of allergic to almonds, but not like super bad.
You ready?
I don't know. Yeah. Ooh. I like that too. So far the desserts are bomb. The chips though.
Well, we'll have to do some research.
All right. Next item we have, okay, these are a bunch of little candies. They gave us like 4 little candies in here. And it looks like these pink and white ones are Kubli fruit-filled hearts. And then these are chestnut cream caramels.
I kind of like the way that sounds.
So what do you think about this box so far?
Well, 2 out of 3.
But I mean, the idea of it, like the fact that it's like you're traveling and you're kind of on a journey, like I think it's kind of cool, right?
I think it's exceptional that you can try these different items.
Yeah, especially because it's stuff that you would never try. Now, I don't know how this is like if you wanted to purchase something later, like if you were like, I want to try this out later another time. But I do think that it's cool because you get to try out these different snacks from another country, right?
I like it.
I know. Okay. This is a strawberry candy thing.
I'm not gonna completely eat
I'm
this
chewing it. That's good. The inside tastes like a Starburst. And the outside, while it's hard, it's not like super hard. Chew it. It's kind of like lemonade. I like it. That's good. That's really good. I really like it. Do you like it?
I feel like I'm eating one of those. Remember that Tootsie Roll commercial? How many?
Let's take a turn.
3.
All right. That's good. I like it.
Actually,
So far, there's only been one thing in the box we didn't like was the chips.
this is really good.
It's really good. Wow. I just want to enjoy this for a minute.
Later on, we gotta find out what was in those chips.
I know. Truffles. So truffles are mushrooms. So they're basically like mushroom chips. I don't know. This is the chestnut caramel. I'm gonna try it. I like that too. Not as much as I like the other candy though. But it's good. It's good though. I don't know. Alright. Next in the box we have Gavottes crepe filled with basil pesto. So these are mini crepes filled with pesto. So these are going to be more like savory, which I think is kind of interesting. Like for the actual like snacks, they've been more savory, but then they gave out some really nice desserts too.
Now, what does the word pesto mean?
Pesto is a type of like Italian sauce. Like it's a green sauce that is a lot of times in different pastas. So pesto is a pasta sauce.
Okay, so I'm just trying to.
So like,
I'm trying to get my mind in the idea of.
So smell it. It's basil pesto.
So this is.
So it's a green pasta sauce.
I think what we gotta realize is.
Ooh, it's strong.
There's a big difference between like the pastries and the candies versus the actual food substance.
Right, because the food substance is very like honestly, it's almost like an Italian feeling because like the pesto, but still.
Not so bad actually.
Ugh. Oh God.
Kind of salty, not terrible.
I don't like it.
I didn't bother me that bad.
Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it.
I think she doesn't like it.
Oh my God, that's bad. Oh, I do not like that. No, I don't like that at all. No, I don't like that.
There should be a drum roll for
All right, so this is the last item in here, and I don't even want to share this with anyone.
Look at that.
Yes.
What is that name?
Noir. It means black.
Noir.
Yes.
Black chocolate.
It's noir. It's black. It's dark chocolate with violet nuggets. So it's got violet in it. Are you excited?
Well, I've never ate violet.
Look at this. First of all, this is cool. This is actually really nice. This is like, honestly, to buy a candy bar like this will cost like $10 in a store, right?
You know what I'm thinking, don't you?
What?
I got a golden ticket.
It's silver.
Isn't that like Willy Wonka?
It's not like Willy Wonka, and we're not endorsed for that, so.
Okay, but it kind of felt like I was
Don't. That movie gave me nightmares, man. You know it. I used to come out of my bed crying because that blueberry girl. Why did you bring me there just now?
Was that gum?
Oh, God. Don't do it. Oh, yeah, it was gum. Okay. All right. So this is, sorry, I sniffed them both. Dark chocolate with violet.
You ready?
I still have a little bit of that pesto in my mouth.
Get your mind ready.
Get my mind right.
Relieve your mind of the pesto and come in with a great positive attitude. Ready?
Okay, positive attitude. I'm ready. Look at that. Wow. Ooh. You know who would love this? Grace. She loves weird candy like this. You know why? So this is like truly like the bitterness of a dark chocolate, but then the actual floral notes from the violet make it so sweet. This is like the most bizarre candy bar pairing, but it's good, right? Like this is something, you know what this is? This is a candy bar that you gotta slow down You gotta sniff it.
So what's the score?
5
to 2, 4 to 2?
So I think we like everything except for the savory snack.
So about 5 or 6 things.
So like if you go to the scorecard here and score everything, you can basically give it a ribbon to say like more please or no. And so there's only 2 items that I would say were no.
How many
Everything
items
else. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 items.
So 5 out of 7.
Yeah, 5 out of 7 were great. Now, we didn't really go through the booklet side of this because it would take forever. But do you actually feel like this experience you learned something like kind of like about the foods of France and stuff like that?
Well, for this type of food, I learned that the sweets seem to be
More unique.
More unique, and for some reason, the solid foods that weren't sweets, I think for maybe our taste buds and what we're used to, seem challenging. I don't think we're ready for it.
I think it takes a more mature taste bud to enjoy something like the truffle chips. I think it's something people would enjoy, but I do actually feel like I got to try something different. So that was part of it. Like with the Love with Food box I did last night with the girls, that was something where I was like, I want to try stuff that like I can get regularly that's kind of an improvement upon snacks that are healthier. But with this, I'm like, I want to try something that is actually unique and different. You know what I mean? Like that I would never really try ever if I wasn't given to in a box. So overall, I like it. I think it's good.
Very good.
Excited. Well, I'm glad you came on the video with me today. This was fun. Anything else you want to say to anybody?
Just want to say hi and thank you. And
You already said hi.
Okay, and I'm very happy to be here.
Wow, look at you. You're so nice. He's so nice today. What's going on? Why are you so nice today? What are you planning?
Just,
I think you're trying to steal my subscribers.
She's the one.
What are you talking about? Okay, I don't know. All right, you want me to finish this? We good? All right. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family to glitterly the best crew with anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you very, very soon. As soon as I get into other boxes, I'll finish up the rest of the boxes for box week. Otherwise, that's it.
That's
all right. Talk to you. Love you.
We're magically delicious.
No. All right. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Say hi, babies. Hi. Okay, that was too perfect. I did not rehearse that. I swear to you. Okay, so tonight we are here with Box Week Day 6.